The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Emergency Management Agency, in conjunction with the South Carolina National Guard. Riots and protests across the state have begun, with many rioters stating that South Carolina should become its own nation. Currently, there is no plan to leave the United States, due to it being illegal under the United States Constitution. Do not participate in these riots. Participating in these riots will result in your arrest or death. The National Guard has been deployed across the state in order to prevent civil unrest from spreading. South Carolina is placed under martial law until further notice. Anyone caught outside without proper clearance to do so will be shot and killed without hesitation. Please stay home and keep listening to news sources and social media for more information.